Calculating velocity from position time graph. This is my position time graph. Here time is in seconds. Here position is in meters. An object is moving at 1 second. It is as 20, 2 second 40, 3 second 60, 80 and so on. So let's calculate the velocity of an object. First we take two positions, like this A position and this is B position. Now from A position, draw a line parallel to the x-axis. X-axis. Parallel. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. And from position B also draw the line parallel to the x-axis. Again draw the line parallel to y-axis from position A. Y-axis from position A. Position A, position B, position A. We have two positions. Now this extend this parallel line here. Now we got this triangle A. We got this triangle A, B and C. Let's mark this point as C. Now this is our position S2. This is our position S1. This is our time T1 and this is our time T2. Now as per equation, let's calculate what is the velocity. Velocity is change in position upon time interval. Change this position from S1 to S2, S2 minus S1, T2 minus T1. Now, what is T2 minus T1? This is AC. T2 minus T1 is AC. S2 minus S1, S2 minus S1 is BC. BC. Now, we have this CA, you can also make it as CA, BC and C. This is our change in velocity. Now BC is 40 and time is 2. We have 20 meters per second. It's our velocity of an object. Now what is this BC upon CA is called? This is called the slope. BC upon CA. This is called the slope of the line. Slope of the line. This position is called the slope of the line. Slope of the line. This is called the slope of the line. AB connecting initial position A and final position B. Slope of line is the steepness of the line. The slope of a graph gives information about the rate of change of quantity shown in y-axis as in this corresponding to the x-axis. This is how we calculate the position velocity in the position time graph. Now let us take another example of a graph. Here we have time 2, 3, 4 position and 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60. And we have here straight line here. This object is at 0 time second is 40 meter. At 1 second it is again at 40 meter. And in second it again, third again. So object is not moving. Here object is at rest. At rest 40 meters from the origin. 40 meters from the origin. This is object is at rest from 40 meter from the origin. Let's take another example of two graphs, and we have two objects moving, and we are representing these two objects in a this is object B. They both are in straight line, and this is object A. This is again position. This is again time. This is again time, and this is again position. Now B has this position and A has this position. B is moving further away in less time as compared to the A. A is taking more time to move away, to move. So this is called comparing the displacement of two objects from the position time graph. So whose velocity is more? The velocity of B is more because B is more steeper, slope is more than as compared to A.